the pond and away they did play. Mother duck called, quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went swimming again, splashing and playing with their friends in the rain. Mother duck called, quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went swimming so free, diving and splashing near the big old tree. Mother duck called, quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went swimming once more, sliding and gliding near the sandy shore. Mother duck called, quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went swimming so bright, flapping her wings with all her might. Mother duck called, quack, 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 and all 5 little ducks came swimming back. Quack, 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 hooray for the day! 5 little ducks are back to play, splashing and laughing in the sunny pond. Mother duck smiles and goes beyond. 5 little ducks went swimming one day, playing together in a happy way. Quack, 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 under the sky so blue, all little ducks